Do you want to know the secret to transforming simple ingredients into an Italian masterpiece? Then watch this video. Today, we are making one of the best Italian pasta dishes with these simple ingredients. You need some Parmesan cheese, garlic, Tuscan sausage, white onions, and rosemary. Also, you want to get your eggplant, rigatoni pasta, white wine, I went for Pinot Grigio, and some good quality olive oil, and then some salt and pepper. Next, we are going to cut off the aubergine. So we'll start by cutting the top of it, then cut it in half, and cut it in half again. Afterwards, we are going to dice it. The aubergine may look a little bit too big at the moment, but don't worry, because we are going to fry it and it will start shrinking. Put the diced aubergine in a colander and sprinkle some sea salt to draw out the excess water. Mix it all together and set aside for 15 minutes. Next, we are going to work on the meat. Use a small kitchen knife to help you remove the casing from the sausage. This is an important step, otherwise you get chunky bits of meat rather than minced. If you do not eat pork, you can substitute it with some high-fat 80-20 minced beef. Lastly, we are going to chop it up a little bit and set it aside. After setting the meat aside, get your onion and cut it in half. Cut both ends and remove the outer layer. I am using a medium white onion in order to give a sweeter taste to the sauce. Then cut the onion lengthwise and set aside. At the end, you should have all your ingredients ready to start cooking. First, we are going to shallow fry the diced aubergine. Heat a generous amount of neutral high heat oil, such as avocado oil, in a large pan over medium-high heat. Whilst it is heating, pat the aubergine dry. Once the pan is hot enough, add the aubergine to the pan. Shallow fry until they gain color and become soft. Every now and then, stir the pan just to make sure that one side is not burning. Transfer the cooked aubergine to a plate lined with kitchen paper to absorb excess oil. Lower the pan heat to medium-low and add enough olive oil to coat the pan. Add rosemary and 2 unpeeled garlic cloves to infuse the oil. After 3 minutes, remove both rosemary and garlic cloves. Turn the heat to medium and add the minced sausage to the pan and cook until nicely brown, allowing a Maillard reaction for added flavor. While the sausage is cooking, you also want to get a pot, add some water, and then you want to put it on for your pasta. And after 8 to 10 minutes of your sausage cooking, add the sliced onions to the pan and saute for about 5 minutes. Add the white wine and increase the heat to medium-high to let the alcohol evaporate. At this point, your pasta water should be boiling. If so, add salt and the rigatoni. After a few minutes, pour some of the pasta water into your sauce and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Taste the sauce to see if you are happy with the saltiness. It should be salty enough as both pasta water and sausage were already salted. At 1 or 2 minutes from the pasta being fully cooked, add your shallow fried aubergine to the sauce and toss. Season the sauce with some black pepper to taste, and once the pasta is fully cooked, transfer it to the pan with the sauce. Toss until the sauce becomes creamy, aided by the fats and starch from the pasta water. Add more pasta water if needed. Turn off the heat, add grated Parmesan cheese, mix and toss again to combine. Now start plating and enjoy this creamy pasta. Thank you for watching this video. You can find the full recipe on my website, link in the description. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Saporedipapa. Enjoy the plating.